Hi, this is John O'Donnell from MarineMax in Maryland, and I'm going to take you through a brand new 2024 Sea Ray SLX 400 outboard. Enjoy the tour. Starting back here on the aft end of the SLX 400 outboard, we do have two V12 600 Mercury Verados on the back. Plenty of power for this boat to get you to and from. The swim platform has sea deck throughout. On the platform, you've got a hot and cold freshwater shower right here for when you come out of the water, and it all drains through this nice convenient drain here so it doesn't get water all over your decks. Right in here you've got your shore power hookups and also an extended storage compartment. Going across the swim platform, you've got this expansive lounger here, which also has a nice little tree here. So not only does the lounger face aft and also face forward, but you can take this little lever right here, pull it back like this, and then you've got one large, comfortable, expansive lounger. Over here on the starboard quarter, you have your drop-down beach mode, and you'll see that here in a minute on the video. And here is your platform going down for beach mode. And coming back up. Walking through the pass-through here into the main cockpit entertaining area. To starboard, we have a sink with fresh water. You've got two Kenyon electric grills here. These grills will run off of your 7.5 kW Westerbeek generator with your grill controls. Below, you've got two refrigerator freezers, a trash receptacle, plenty of seating as you go around, storage underneath all of these seats here. An example, this storage right here runs all the way aft through to the electrical compartment you saw there for your shore power hookup. So it's approximately 9 feet long. You've got more seating around here, a folding, beautiful teak, natural teak table here. And this table will also fold across and becomes a gigantic seating and dining area back here in the cockpit. Underneath here, you've got another cooler spot here if you want to bring away some coolers, and a self-draining cooler on this side as well, insulated as well. So you can have a cooler on board and also a takeaway that you can pack at home before you come on board the boat. As you move forward in the cockpit, you've got a dual seat here for your co-pilot, and this bolster will fold down or come back up for comfortable seating. And this whole seat here will also rotate if you wanted to switch it around and make it part of the cockpit seating. Just rolls around like that. And now it's part of the cockpit seating sideways like that, which is pretty neat. Your main helm area also has two seats, fold down bolsters. You got a Marineco searchlight control. You got your Bluetooth Fusion stereo there. You got your dual Simrad screens. Lenco trim tabs with dynamic running surface, which is a remarkable system that keeps the boat very stable when underway. Of course, your two throttles there for your twin V12 600s, your joystick control, and all of your associated instrumentation on here. This boat also has a Seakeeper 3 gyroscopic stabilizer on board. Moving forward to the forward seating area, through the windshield section, the windshield will fold back, and there's also a windbreak door that can be deployed. Check the still photos for more information on that. Forward, you got, again, a large seating area up here. Lots of cup holders. You have a Fusion stereo control over here, so you can control your own zone. Flip down armrests all the way across. Very comfortable seating area, and a beautiful teak table, which gets set up right there, and then again fills in this as an alternate dining area in addition to the one you saw in the cockpit. In here you've got your anchor windlass and your anchor air storage area, and all electronically controlled from the helm. Also manual override up here if you have any issues. Moving down below into the very comfortable and spacious cabin, you have a V-shaped dinette here with a folding table for ease of access in and out. There's also a filler cushion that goes in here to transform this into a bunk. Underneath here, you've got all of your controls for your AC systems. Seating all the way around. You've got a nicely appointed head in here with shower. You also have a large boat-sized queen underneath here. And down here, you'll see some of your other gear that comes with the boat. Of course, you have a television flat screen down here. You got your filler cushions down here. You have your bow sunshade and other canvas items down here, but a large boat-sized queen. Then over here to port, you do have a microwave, another fridge freezer, and then a sound bar and digital TV. The hardtop on the SLX 400 Outboard is also pretty spectacular. You have the extendable and retractable sunshade, comes out of the aft end of the hardtop. Going across the hardtop, of course, you have LED digital lighting. You've got a canvas sunshade that's manually opened up here. And then ahead of that, more digital lights, and then a nice shaded glass sunroof through there. Check out the stills for what it looks like when it's opened and closed. Underneath your aft settee here is your engineering space. You've got your 7.5 kW Westerbeek generator over here to port. You've got your Seakeeper 3 gyroscopic stabilizer, your batteries, breakers, switches, pumps, sea strainers, all of your engineering gear. Easy to get to, easy to maintain. Well, thanks for going through the 2024 Sea Ray SLX 400 Outboard with me. I hope you enjoyed the tour. It's available and ready and waiting for you at MarineMax Maryland. Come on down.